Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Steve. On this episode, I thought I'd head back to one of my favourite day ticket venues and try for some big carp on light float gear. So I'm back at Tooman Specimen Lake. This place always feels special, and as you can probably tell from the look on my face and the smile, I really enjoy fishing here. For those of you who haven't seen my previous videos on Tooman's, just let me give you the rundown. Tooman's has 4 lakes, 2 match lakes, a course lake, and my favourite, the Specimen Lake. It's a one rod flow fishing only venue, and the fishery supply a landing net and a hook and cradle. They have an on-site tackle shop and a stock with everything you'll need to fish, and the facilities are second to none when it comes to commercial fisheries in Ireland. Today, as I said, I'm on the Specimen Lake and there's no carp in here to 18 pound. I've chosen peg 16 and 4 for the water, and I just can't wait to get started. Let's see how we get on. Delighted to be back on this place. As I said, I haven't been here for just over a year since the last session we had here with Harry. We cleaned up over the 4 days that we were here. So I decided I wanted to get out, just wanted to get a few carp, relax, have a chilled out session on the float. Haven't fished float, as I said, in over a year, and just want to get back on the float rods again. As I said, Tooman's is a float fishing only venue, so it's a one rod, one reel. So I'm using the Preston Innovation Ignition 11-foot pellet waggler rod. Great little rod, great true action on it. Reel is the Akumba BN55. It's a little 3000 reel with a little drag on the back. We have a size 12 barbless hook. It's all barbless hooks in here only. About 6 inches from the hook we have a little BB for our sinker. Then float wise, we're just using a sort of standard Drennan 5 gram pellet waggler, loaded pellet waggler. So that's the setup, that's the rig. As I said, back to basics, very simple, and it seems to be doing the job. Gonna get fishing, hopefully we'll have a few out today. A few of the big girls in here, as I said, on the light tackle, it's some crack. So yeah, let's see how we get on. As soon as the session started, so did the rain, but it wasn't too long before we were into fish. Come on, you want to take it. Hammer in. Jesus. These things have taken me halfway across the lake. Some scrap off these carp on this lake here, it's unreal. It's absolutely unreal. I love it. Yeah, these things have to take me halfway across the lake. So we'll see if we can get it back. I don't even think it's that big, but on this lake here, it's a cracking scrap. Oh, it's a common. We've been in the water less than an hour. It's not a bad common actually. Could go a double. What tends to happen with these is you get them in after the initial scrap, and then you just wallow underneath the rod tip for ages and ages. But yeah, carp number 1, not in the net yet, but we're getting there. as I keep saying, on this light gear. I have 11-foot pallet Wagner rod, light gear, 8-pound line, 12 size 12 hooks, and I catch a double figure carp. It's it is absolutely cracking fun. I don't know if it'll go a double, but it's a decent looking common. Oh, I can move from that snag. As I said, took off across the lake, comes back into the swim, and then just wallows underneath it. And you can't give it too much, especially on this light gear, because more than likely it'll pop, you know. Okay, this time she's going in. Get in, Nanny. Oh, it's close to a double, lads, I think. Get in, Nanny. So guys, first fish of the day. It's a beautiful long common, 9 pound, not quite a double, but bang on 9 pound. But gave some scrap. 5 minutes of fighting on this light gear. Oh, I missed this. Flow fishing for these carp. I mean, you hit them, they're so hard fighting. As I said, this took me across the lake, and then once I got it back in underneath the rod tip, then that's when the battle only starts, because you can't be giving them too much welly on this light gear. But yeah, great start to the day. 9 pounder from Tooman's. Let's get it back. Don't have a weight sling here at Tooman's because you're supplied with all the stuff, so we'll just ease her in like that, and away she goes. Beautiful. So, baits we have are fairly simple again. As I said, most of the stuff I've been getting is on lunch meat, but we've got lunch meat, we've got hookable pellets, we've got some sweet corn. I'm just spraying over the top of the float with the Fisheries own 2mm pellets, and we've got some worm as well. Now I haven't had anything on the worm, but they're a bit small, but we have them there to try for later on in the margins in the evening time. But yeah, but that's our baits for today. It's fairly basic. And then our ground bait is a maggot worm meal. This can all be got at the fishery. We've got some 8mm pellet, we got sweet corn, and I've got nearly a half a bag of the 2mm pellets gone in there as well. Get them grubbing around. So that's our ground bait mix. So as I said, very, very simple fishing, very simple tactics. Let's get the float back out and see if we can get another one. We're into fish number 2. Feels a little bit smaller than the last one. It feels a lot smaller than the last one. Now, keep myself organised. As I said, even the small ones scrap in here. Yeah, it's only a little tiny one. Oh, it looks like a little mirror, I think. What a beautiful little mirror. In it goes. Oh, cracking little fish. Now, fish number 2. Beautiful little mirror. Lovely scale patterns on it. That's going to be an absolute beaut when it's about 15-20 pound. But yeah, little cracker. Let's get it back. Whoa. Oh, some tight that. And it's over at the island. Oh, whoa. Oh my God. Keep this low. That's a hell of a run, that. And I'm underneath this bush here. Now, out on the right. I'm going to crank this fish and keep this low. Still attached. It's right underneath that bush. Jesus, that took me on some run. Oi, I have it out from the snag. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, some power in this fish. It knows where the snags are. Just have to keep it low. It knows where the snags are. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come out from under there. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Have to keep the rod tip very, very low. Oh. I think I'm snagged on the tree there. No, come off. Oh my God. Haven't even seen it yet, so I haven't got a clue what it is or how big it is. Doesn't feel like a 5 pounder anyway. Although saying that, wow, just wallowing underneath the rod tip. It's just not even that big. Into the net. It's a nice little mirror. Get in. Well guys, it's just gone 1 o'clock and we landed fish number 3. Beautiful mirror. Bang on 11 pound. First double of the day. Absolute cracker. On luncheon meat, as again on the small, on the on this lake here, unbelievable. Took me right across the lakes, then into the snags. Knew exactly where all the snags were, underneath that tree. But yeah, mint, absolutely mint. Big thick body on it. Another cracking Tooman's fish. 11 pound mirror. Let's get it back. Beautiful. Thank you kindly for that absolute cracking scrap. Here we go. Back she goes. Fish number 4. These are explosive bites. Unreal. I think I'm about to shred my finger as well with the line. Unreal. Yeah, fish number 4. On the line. Ooh. There's a decent enough tail on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come back. Just wallowing again. Looks like a decent enough fish. I said it now, every time I've hooked one, well, you get some scrap off these fish on this light tackle. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. Oh Jesus. Arm is aching. Just under the rod tip. That is a decent common, lads. I might go a double. Get in, get in, get in, get in that net. Get in that net. Our second double of the day, a beautiful pristine common. 12 pound 10 ounces in the rain, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, pristine stuff, not a mark on her. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Gave me some scrap, took me across the lake again, and as I keep saying it, I've said it enough of these times, scrapping these big carp on this light gear is unbelievable. You might as well be catching 30 pounders because it's all relevant to the size of the tackle that you're using. But yeah, 12 pound 10 ounce, biggest of the day so far. Beautiful Tooman's common. Into fish number 5. Talk about a quick bite, literally on the drop. Wow, that frightened the hell out of me. Get in that net. Get in. Fish number 5, a lovely lively common, 6.5 pound. Took it on the drop, absolute stormer of a take, and a very lively little common all the same. But yeah, blistering take on the drop, bit of lunch in me. Let's get it back. So the rain kept falling and my long line went very quiet. I've been baiting up in the margins for most of the morning, so I moved from the outside line into that margin swim to see if I can pull anything from under that tree. And we're in right underneath the bush here. Oh, this is a good fish. Now, and this fish is giving me some scrap, absolutely some battle. There you go, guys, fish number 6 on the bank. From right underneath the rod tip, give me a hell of a scrap. Took me around a couple of snags as well. Lovely common, 7 pound 1 ounce. Little cracker. There you go, guys. One a bit bigger than I initially thought. 10 pound 2 ounce common. Again from right underneath the rod tip. That short line is starting to work well. 10 pound 2 ounce. Another double. Fish number 7. Another beautiful common that ended up being bigger than I thought it was going to be. 10 pound 8 ounce. 10 pound 8 ounce common. Another double. I'm just in the margin swim. It's still lashing down with rain. I'm getting drowned here, but do you know what? It's worth it. Fish number 8 of the day. Another cracking double. It's just gone 4:30, so I'll give you a quick update on how we're doing. So we've had 8 fish out so far, up to 12 pound 10 ounce, 12 times the biggest. But yeah, cracking day so far. We're just about to get into the evening session where this inside line is starting to work for me now. The one on the margins, the last 2 fish have just been off that spot, so, and they've both been doubles. So yeah, really enjoying it. So I've got another couple of hours left. I'm probably going to pull off around 8 o'clock. So probably another 4 hours left, in around 8, half 8. The rain is to hold off. It's forecast to stay off for the evening. So if that happens and the rain stays off, I'll stay a little bit longer. But because I am really enjoying it. So yeah, just a little bit midpoint update. 8 fish so far. Let's see how many we can get before we finish up. Hopefully we might get into double figures, which wouldn't be bad for here. Oh, another good bite. Again, initial run, drags underneath that tree, heads for the snags. Once you get them torn, you got them out. You just come underneath the rod tip then and just wallow underneath the rod tip. Another common. Nowhere near as big as the last couple. But welcome all the same. Looks around 6-7 pound. Get in the nets, get in. Fish number 9, get in. Fish number 9, not even got a bottle weighing, it's about 5 or 6 pound. Lively little beggar. A little tap there. Hammer in. Get in. Get in. Oh. Come back out there. It's gone over to the island. I don't want it over there. I'm trying to get back into that little gap in the island. I really don't want it there. I don't think it's that big of a fish. Again, but it's very welcome because it's fish number 10 if I land it. That's a big if, the way it's going. Oh. That snag is right there. It's just had to go grating right across that snag. I felt it. Definitely felt it. There we go. Come on now. Up you come. As I said, I don't think it's that big of a fish. Maybe I'm wrong. But it's very welcome because it's fish number 10. Oh, it is a big fish. It's a nice fish. It's another common. It looks like another double. Get in that net. Get in for number 10. Oh, Jesus, that's missing the net. Oh, come back. Oh, it's caught around the net. It's caught around. Oh, don't lose it now. It got caught around my camera on the net. But it is a decent fish. Another common. Get in. Now she's ready. Get in, number 10. Get in. Yes, get in. Number 10. Get in that net. Fish number 10 at this session. And it's a 10 pounder, another double, another common. 10 pound, 12 ounces. Absolutely cracking. What a session, into double figures. Yep. Whoa. That was a decent take. Oh, we're over at the island. I don't want to be over there. Come out of that. There's too many snags over there. How in the hell? This is unreal. Now, just about ready. Come on, baby. Up you come. Come on, where are you? Oh, it's going around the back of the net. Don't do that to me. Oh, don't do that to me. Just when you think, every time I just think I have it ready, it goes on another run. Where is it getting this energy from? Wow. Power. Get in. Get in that net. Get in. That's another good one. Another good one. Another double. Yeah.
Right guys, fish number 11 and not quite a double. I thought it was going to go a double, but it's a 9 pound 10 ounce. Another common, 9 pound 10 ounce common. They're loving that lunch in me. Beautiful little carp. Gave me another great scrap. I just didn't know, it just every time I thought it was ready for the net, it just went again. So but yeah, great scrap on this lake here, as I keep saying, as I said about a million times today. But yeah, I love it, love it. So there you go, 9 pound 10 ounce common, fish number 11. What a session, what a session here on Tooman's. Just coming up on 7:30, fish number 12, little tiny one, a little 4 or 5 pounder. Another little common. Great little scrap for the size of it. Didn't even bother weighing it, it's about 4 or 5 pounds, something along those lines. But another immaculate little common. Well, it's got about 25 minutes left on this session before the call of the day. And we got fish number 13, a lovely mirror, just over 8 pound, 8 pound 2. Cracking little fish. A long, lean fighting machine. 8 pound 2 ounce mirror. Haven't had many mirrors today. 2, maybe 3. But the rest have been commons. Yeah. Fish number 13. I'm lucky for some, but not for me. Nice little mirror. Let's get it back. Well, that's going to call it a day. It's just gone 8 o'clock and I'm going to pull off the lake. Just got snapped off there on the last fish. The only fish I lost today out of the whole lot of them that I caught, and it was the last one. So we ended up with 13 fish to 12 pound 10 ounces. Great day's fishing. Really enjoyed it. Had the place to myself. It's an amazing venue. I said it before, I'll say it again, it's an amazing venue. Tony and Lubes really look after the place. They really look after you. There are a few rules, but if you follow the rules, you'll have a great day's fishing. But yeah, I've said it a million times on the vlog, where else are you going to get catching, you know, mid-double carp on really light gear? It's seat of the pants stuff. Really enjoyable. Right, I'm going to pack down this gear now and get myself out of here. As always, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give subscribe, hit the like and hit that bell to get notifications when I do my next upload. And until then, if you're on the bank, tight lines.